Yo, it's your boy Kobus, the realist OG, inspired by the ghost of the most ICT. So I'm back with a review of a trade that I took today. I didn't actually post this one, but yeah, and I just wanna highlight a few points about this journey of trading. Okay, it's not always a smooth journey. We I believe each and every trader does take losses, and then I took one today. um I think I I don't know how to put this, but I had an analysis, okay, which was looking right on an hour, okay, but I ended up going against my analysis, okay. But okay, I do understand why I did that, because I was I respond to what price tells me. But sometimes again, is when you look back, you're like, ish, I had this analysis and I didn't go with it. I went the other way around and I lost. So I believe that with time I will get it. Failure is important for growth. So we can see that we are bullish on British pound and euro dollar. Okay. Um I had two opposing, what can I say? I had some sort of like a dilemma here. Okay, let me actually break it down from daily so that you'll understand why I did what I did. um I saw that we traded into this daily order block, okay, uh and then I was looking for reversals the same day, and we had a bit of a rejection on a we had a daily rejection. Okay, so I went to 1 hour. Okay, I went to 1 hour right here. Okay, my other analysis was we are bullish, we are still bullish, and then my other analysis was uh we are ready to go back because we just disrespected this gap here. But later I realized that we have a gap again here, which we just tapped, we respected, and then we took off, and then the market took off to the upside. Okay, this one is actually a, a clean setup on an hourly chart. Okay, so I went down to a smaller time frame, and again on a smaller time frame we are aware that there are a lot of things happening on a lower time frame. There's a lot of up and down, and then that shit, excuse my language, and that thing can actually mess up with your trading or your setup. So the reason why I sold here is that I saw that we came into that daily order block, okay, and then we traded below this candle, this gap, and then we closed below it. In my mind I was like, okay, at first I was bullish. I was expecting the market to come and respect this and treat this gap as a breakaway gap, and but the market didn't do that. It disrespected this gap first and then went above it, and then it went below it to retest this one here, At the same time, I think you can see that how clean this is. We have a swing low here, a swing high, a swing low, and then a break of market structure here, and then we came back to this count, and then we took off. This is actually a beautiful move. Which I missed, and that's fine. But yeah, I had to even take a walk nyana to just clear my head, because you know when you have an analysis, it plays out, but you lost from it. It can kind of like affect your psychology in a way. So I took a walk so that I don't revenge trade, because usually after taking a liquidity we have reversals. So here we did not have a reversal. Okay, so I just want to break down the setup which I took and lost today. There's this guy who's watching. It's on a phone call, but I can hear him. Some loud as hell. Okay. Um. Okay, what happened? I saw that we traded below the gap here. Okay, and then the market went to collect the liquidity once more, and then I saw that we disrespected uh, this this bearish gaps. I realized that we disrespected these bearish gaps, um, so I was not I was, and then we had change instead of delivery here. Okay, and then I wanted to see the market test this gap here, the last disrespected gap here. Okay, immediately after disrespecting it, maybe the candle after this one, but the market did not do that. Okay, usually when the market does not offer me entry and just moves away, sometimes I take it as if there's no setup there. We're usually gonna go opposite direction. Okay, I looked at this here because I was like, if the market is truly bullish here, it should respect this gap here. In my according to my own understanding. Okay, I was like, I want to see the market reject that gap here, but the market closed below that gap. Okay, that's when I was like, okay, I think we are ready to be bullish, and we just actually printed an order block here. So I think I entered, or I waited for the 1 hour candle to close. I think the 1 hour candle was this. Let me remove it. It was this one. New candle is this one. I actually entered right here. I put my stop loss here, and then I was aiming for these lows here, the sell side liquidity here, and then the sell side liquidity here again. And because again it's Friday, we've been bullish the whole week. I was expecting the market to form some sort of a reversal. Okay, so I was just gonna go with the market as it go down, hop on the train, but the market did not actually form create a reversal. It created a big move up. Okay, so this is me reading price. I just wanted to show you how I was thinking. And again, this is not a clean setup. It's not a clean setup. This is there's a lot of noise. Okay, so that's another thing which as a trader, you must also look at, I think, the clearer the setup, the less the risk and the more the confidence. So yeah, we took a loss today, and that's part of the game, you know. I just want to let new traders out there that sometimes you have to learn how to accept the loss and move on. That's going to make your life easy. Being in denial sometimes, it hinders your progress, because let's say you take a loss and then you realize that, oh no, the market is going up, you buy, goes down, take another loss. That's a revenge trading. You lost, maybe you want to, let's say maybe you lost like $50 on a demo account. You want to risk now more so that you can make that $50. Let's say you want to be on break even, and then you lose more again, and then you become more frustrated again, and then your discipline gets affected, your psychology becomes affected. So when you lose a trade, accept the loss and move on. Okay, I don't know how many losses I've took since I started trading. I don't know. And at first I was in denial. It was hard. Your emotions do get affected. You're not a robot, you're a human being. But as time goes on, you grow. You grow from those, I can say it's heartbreaks or disappointments. So yeah, so we're just going to wait for another setup next week. We're gonna see what next week has for us. Okay. Yeah, I think that's what I just wanted to say today. Peace and love. I'm signing out. Stay blessed.